Bro, I'm gonna tell you something.
Talk about the whole feud we are going between Foota Hype and the Konshense and the Vegas and them thing there.
Yeah,
bro, I'm not gonna lie. Me used to the feud of lyrical war and musical war. But with this type of warrior now where you have man and fling fish argument back and forth.
Bro, I'm gonna tell you something. You see, if you notice in our culture, one of the easiest way to demoralize a person or take a person off of them IRs is to put them in one position where society go against it in a few culture. Culture
is a very important part of any, because in truth and in fact, culture helps to shape you, the individual
that you are,
whether you like it or not.
Yeah, man.
The culture of a person really help to build them in that type of person who them come out to be. Because if you look on it, certain things where certain culture believe in, we not gonna believe in it because it's not our culture. So culture is very significant.
Yes.
So we have to stand for our culture and where we believe in.
And that is true. That is true.